How are you? How are you?
I'm here. I'm
Yeah,
fine.
okay. That's great.
Yes.
Okay. Wait me, huh? Okay, I will share to you now our topic no? We're going to talk about food. Oh, let us talk about food. Do you like food? Do you like
Yes.
food, Tono? Oh, you like food a
Mm.
lot. Okay. By the way, Tono, tomorrow we're gonna have class again. Is it okay? Because we don't have class Thursday, Friday. No class. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the whole day. Okay, tomorrow, can we have class again the same time?
Tomorrow, I can. I can.
Ah, okay, Friday.
Friday, I
Yeah, your
can.
mom told me the schedule. You have, oh, sorry, Tono, I really forgot. Your mom told me the schedule. Tono. I really forgot Tono. Your mom told me, wait me ha, teacher, Monday, Tuesday, and Friday, 4 p.m. This is your schedule. So on Friday, 4 p.m., Monday, 4 p.m., and Tuesday, 4 p.m. That is what your mom told me. Is that correct?
Oh, yes.
Because you have summer class according to your mom. So we don't have class on Saturday and Sunday. But if you have time, Tono, because we have makeup class, I mean, sorry, we have a lot of absence. So maybe you can have Saturday or Sunday, okay? But Friday, we have scheduled 4 p.m. again, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to talk here. Okay, let us talk about food. Okay. So, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food.
Mhm.
Oh, I don't know because I like many food.
You like many food. The one that you really like most, like example, you will say, teacher, mom, I want to eat this one. The one you crave, you are looking for.
I like the most food.
Mhm, yeah.
I think my favorite food is noodles.
What?
Is noodles.
Noodles. Okay, why do you like noodles?
I think it's very tasty and many people like it.
Okay. So that's why you like noodles a lot. Okay. So how about drink? What drink do you like the most?
I like coffee. I like coffee or cacao.
Cacao. You like cacao?
Yes.
Oh, you like cacao, really? No, no.
Yes.
In my country, it's not cacao. It is chocolate.
Oh.
Yeah, it's chocolate. We have here chocolate. It's like 01. Okay, it's chocolate. In my country, it is chocolate.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't know it's cacao in your country, but in my country, it's chocolate.
Mm,
Okay. But you like chocolate? It's like
yeah.
cacao.
I like chocolate and salt coffee.
Okay. Coffee also. How about milk tea? Do you like milk tea?
Yes. I very milky.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So next one, we are talking about food. Okay. So we are talking about, okay, so we have here the word appetizer.
Okay.
Okay. So sauce. You have sauce. Okay, can you do that? Okay. Another we have the word, okay. Order. Okay, sauce is this one. This one. Okay. Pepper. Oh, pepper. Do you know pepper?
Yes.
Okay, pepper is just like it's so hot. It's pepper, it's so hot. Next one, we have lettuce. Okay, I like lettuce. Do you like it? It's some kind of vegetable. It's leafy vegetables, Tono. It's there's a leaves with that one. Lamb. Do you know lamb?
Mm, I never ate lamb.
Never. Waitress.
Mm,
Waitress.
in Vietnam, many waitress.
Okay, waitress. Okay, so we have seen one. Oh, by the way, Tono, these are the different food. Look at the food that you can see in the screen. What food that do you like? Oh, look at in the screen. What food that do you like?
I like melon and ice cream.
Oh, you love ice cream. You really like ice cream a lot. You love melon and ice cream. So it means you like ice cream a lot. Okay. How about milk? Do you like milk?
I like milk because it's good for health
Mm-hmm.
and high.
Yeah, of course. It is good for the health. Okay. We have here the scene. Okay. Let us listen next. Please try to listen and please tell me the answer. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Are you ready to order?
We are.
Excuse me, I have a question.
Yes.
I'm in the mood for lamb, but the sauce looks too fatty. Could I order the lamb without the sauce?
Sure.
What does it come with?
French fries.
I don't like fried food. Could I have a grilled vegetable instead?
I think we have grilled peppers.
Perfect.
Would you like to start with an appetizer?
Is there oil on the tomato salad?
There's a lot of olive oil, yes.
Could I get it without the oil?
Mm-hmm. But it won't taste very good.
Then I'll just have a mixed green salad.
And you?
I'm sorry, I have another question. Is there salt on the lamb?
It's cooked with salt and pepper, yes.
I don't want a lot of salt. I think I'll have the fish instead. What's in the sauce?
Lemon, butter, milk.
Oh, that's too much dairy. Maybe I'll have a large salad for my entree and no appetizer. What's in the salad?
Lettuce, carrots, peppers, onions, egg.
Oh, no egg, please.
Salad, no egg. Anything to drink?
Just water, please.
And for you?
I'll have the special.
The special.
The special.
Great. Could I ask you another question?
No.
Can we listen again, teacher?
Yeah, okay, sure.
Are you ready to order?
We are.
Excuse me, I have a question.
Yes.
I'm in the mood for lamb, but the sauce looks too fatty. Could I order the lamb without the sauce?
Sure.
What does it come with?
French fries.
I don't like fried food. Could I have a grilled vegetable instead?
I think we have grilled peppers.
Perfect.
Would you like to start with an appetizer?
Is there oil on the tomato salad?
There's a lot of olive oil, yes.
Could I get it without the oil?
Mm-hmm. But it won't taste very good.
Then I'll just have a mixed green salad.
And you?
I'm sorry, I have another question. Is there salt on the lamb?
It's cooked with salt and pepper, yes.
I don't want a lot of salt. I think I'll have the fish instead. What's in the sauce?
Lemon, butter, milk.
Oh, that's too much dairy. Maybe I'll have a large salad for my entree and no appetizer. What's in the salad?
Lettuce, carrots, peppers, onions, egg.
Oh, no egg, please.
Salad, no egg. Anything to drink?
Just water, please.
And for you?
I'll have the special.
The special.
The special.
Great. Could I ask you another question?
No.
Hey, teacher.
Okay, so did you hear that?
Yes.
Okay, so let us read the script, okay? So I will be the waitress and you are Bob, Cheryl, Cheryl. Okay, I am the waitress only, huh? You read all the name of the people here, okay? Are you ready to order, Bob?
We are.
Excuse
Excuse
me.
me.
Sorry. Go. Sorry, Tono. Again, Tono, again. Okay, are you ready to order?
We are. Excuse me, I have a question.
Yes.
I'm in the mood of lamb, but the sauce was so fatty. Could I order the lamb without the sauce?
Sure. What does it come with? Sorry, that's yours.
What does it come with?
French fries?
I don't like fried food. Could I have a grilled vegetable instead?
Instead.
Instead,
Very good. I think we have grilled peppers.
perfect.
Okay. Would you like to start with an appetizer?
Is there all on the tomato salad?
There is a lot of olive oil, please.
Could I get it without oil?
Okay. There are a lot of olive oil, please. Could I get it with oil? Oh, but it won't taste very good.
Then I will just have a messy green salad.
And you?
I'm sorry, I have another question. Is there salt on the lamb?
I don't want a lot of salt. I think I'll have the fish instead. Okay. Lemon, buttermilk, Cheryl.
Oh, that's too much dairy. Maybe I will have lunch salad for my a tree and no appendix. What is in the salad?
Appetizer.
Appetizer. What's in the salad?
Okay, waitress, lettuce, carrots, peppers, onions, eggs. Cheryl.
No, no eggs, please.
Salad, no egg. Anything to drink?
Just water, please.
And for you?
I have a special.
The special?
The special.
Great.
Could I ask you another question?
No. Okay, so what do you think of Cheryl?
I think Chiro, the one like a lot of food and she want to order some food, many food.
Okay. Mm. So Cheryl is asking a lot, right?
Yes.
Okay. So Cheryl is asking a lot of things, right? She has a lot of things to do. Okay.
Yes.
She is asking a lot of different menu that the waitress and her friends, Bob and Paul, doesn't like it anymore. They keep on asking, no. And Cheryl said, could I ask you another questions? No, the three of them, right? Okay. So we have here, Tano, let us listen to the people are ordering food in the restaurant. What does each person order? Please listen and check the correct picture. Okay?
Page
Okay.
18. 3. Let's listen. Task 1. People are ordering food in a restaurant. What does each person order? Listen and check the correct picture. Page 19. 3. Let's listen. Task 1. People are ordering food in a restaurant. What does each person order? Listen and check the correct picture.
Wait.
Page 19. 3. Let's listen. Task 1. People are ordering food in a restaurant. What does each person order? Listen and check the correct picture. 1.
What would you like to order?
I think I'll have the fish.
Okay, and would you like asparagus or a baked potato?
I'll have the asparagus. And could I have some tea, please?
Sure.
Oh, could you ask the chef to hurry? I'm really starving.
Okay. I'll try to get it for you as soon as possible.
2.
What would you like to order?
I'd like the steak, please.
Would you like baked potatoes or fries with that?
I'd like fries, please.
Okay.
And make sure there are lots of fries, please. They're my favorite food.
Sure.
3.
Have you made up your mind?
Yes, I'm going to have spaghetti and a small salad.
Anything else?
When you bring the spaghetti, could you bring me a bottle of hot sauce?
Hot sauce? Like Tabasco sauce?
Yes, I like really spicy food.
No problem.
4.
What can I get you?
I'd like a cheeseburger, French fries, and a cola.
Okay.
But could you make sure there's no salt on the French fries?
No salt? Okay.
Thanks. I'm on a salt-free diet.
I'll make sure there's no salt on the fries. Don't worry.
5.
Are you ready to order?
Yeah, I'm just going to have some dessert. I'll just have a piece of apple pie.
Fine. With ice cream?
No, just pie, thanks.
Fine.
But please don't heat it.
You want it cold?
Yes, I hate hot pie.
Okay.
6.
What can I get you?
I don't want anything to eat. Just a milkshake, please.
Sure. What flavor would you like?
Vanilla, please.
Okay. 1 vanilla milkshake coming up.
And please make sure they don't add any sugar to it.
No sugar?
That's right. I don't like sweet shakes.
Certainly.
I'm finished, teacher.
Okay, so let us check number 1. Okay, 1 is
B.
2 is A. Very good. What is number 2? What food is that?
It's lamb and many fries.
Okay, lamb and many fries. Okay, number 3.
3 is a spaghetti and small salad.
Mm-hmm. Okay, next, number 3. It's letter A. What is letter A? Spaghetti and?
Small salad.
Mm-hmm. Next is number 4.
B.
B.
Yes.
What is letter B?
It's cheeseburger, fries, and cola.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Next, number 5.
5 is a cold.
Okay. Okay, it's letter, it's a pie. Do you like pie?
I don't like it.
You don't like pie at all?
No.
Okay, okay. Number 6, what's number 6?
Number 6 is letter A.
Mm-hmm. Okay, it's letter B. It's only I don't know, it's a shake. I don't know if a shake or juice. Maybe it's white color milkshake. It's milk, it's white one. It's letter B. There is no sandwich. But do you love sandwich? Tano?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, so we have here, Tono, about countable and uncountable nouns.
Okay.
Okay, it's countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, so we have here countable. Do you know countable? These are the things that you can count. Okay, so you can count that one. Chair 1. Chairs, bottle, bottles.
Yeah.
Okay, box, boxes. Okay, uncountable, these are the things that you cannot count. You cannot count informations, furnitures. Okay, so these are countable. Everything here is countable. You cannot count them. Okay? So we have here the word condition of the food and the fruit. What is the condition of the food and the fruit? Example, you are gonna eat a fruit. Oh my God, and you will say, teacher, the food or the fruit is not fresh anymore. Oh, so that is the condition of the food and the fruit. Okay, it's rotten. Fresh. Do you know the word fresh?
Friends or rotten of.
Okay, rotten. You know the word rotten?
I don't eat rotten food because very not good, and I see I can't eat.
That's rotten. Okay. How about off?
Off.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes when I see, but I don't like it.
Okay. Next is stale. Do you know use for bread or pastry? Stale. I didn't know this one. Okay. Moldy. There's a moldy. Okay. There's a molds already. Ripe. Do you know the word ripe?
Right. Sometimes I like it because I like Japanese food. Japanese food has sushi, sashimi, fresh, fresh fish is pet and bread.
Okay, juicy.
Juicy, I it very much.
Okay, juicy, it means, example, you will gonna eat chicken. Oh, teacher, the chicken is juicy. It's very nice.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Another one is sweet. Okay. Describe how the food tastes. So how does it taste? Teacher, it's sweet. Do you know what food do you think that is sweet? Give me example.
Sweet. Usually is candy,
Very
cooking,
good. Candy. What else?
sugar, and
Sugar.
some fruit.
Okay. How about sour?
Sour, I think uh, lemons and orange and some other.
Okay. Delicious. Salty. Do you know the word salty?
Salty, I think it usually is salt. I noticed.
It is made of salt. It's salty. Okay. Okay, bland. Okay, bland. Oh my God, I don't like this. It's so bland.
Yes.
It's bland. Okay, poor. Do you know the word poor?
Yes. I think some restaurants can have poor food.
It has a poor food. Horrible. Do you know the word horrible?
I know. Oh,
Okay. Do you like eating fast food? And what kind of food do you eat in a fast food?
I eat very much because it's fries and I can fat. I like pizza and fries. Pizza and fries.
Okay, you like pizza
Yeah.
and fries. What kind of food? Pizza and fries. Okay. Do you usually eat at home or in the restaurant? What do you think?
I usually eat at home.
Okay. So why you like to eat in the restaurant at home? Why you like to eat at home?
Because I think the food in restaurant some restaurant have poor food and I have many matter.
Okay. So in the restaurant, the food sometimes delicious, but of course it's very expensive. Okay, how about eating at home? So who cook in your house?
My mom usually cook, but at noon my mom not at home and my father cook food for me.
Okay, wow. Okay, your mom and your dad cook for you. Okay. So how often do you have unhealthy food? How often do you have unhealthy food?
I think sometimes I have it.
Okay, sometimes only. What
Yes.
kind? Okay, so these are unhealthy food, but sometimes unhealthy food is delicious, right?
Yes.
Mm. Okay, order a meal. So what do you think or what can you say about the picture?
Okay. Waitress as I get the customer customer how ready to order and ask what food they want to order. Uh, and to customer happy to order and have a delicious meal.
Okay. So you like it. You like it a lot.
Yes.
Okay. So when you are having in the restaurant, what is the first thing that you will gonna say, Ton? Example, you are sitting in the restaurant. What do you think you will gonna say first?
Mm, I think I say the food and the drink I say after.
Okay, you will say first your order. Of course, that's the first thing that you will do. You will ask, what is your order? Okay?
Yes.
Now, do you think that the people here, you can see in the pictures, are they happy?
Yes, they're very happy because they have a delicious meal and good food meal.
Hmm. Okay. Okay, so we have here. This is a conversation. I am letter B, A, and you will be letter B. Okay, ready? What would you like to order?
I would like a bacon burger, please.
It's bacon. Bacon.
Or bacon.
Would you like potato king?
No, only bacon burger.
Anything else?
A French fry, please.
Okay, I'll try to get them for you as soon as possible. Okay, so you can see here in the pictures, there are drinks and there are food. In the drink corner, what drink do you like? Do you think that you would like?
I think the food is very delicious, but I think if we eat so much, we we don't have a good health and we will fat.
We will become fat. Okay. Yeah, because the drink here are all sweet. How about this one, the sandwiches? So we have like this in my country, this one. It's bologi. Oh, this one. We have like
Just
this.
is the combo 1 minute later until waiting.
Oh, it's very expensive. It's
Yes.
$99. Oh my God. Chinese, hamburger, palsy, and of course, there's three. In my country, this one.
No, no, my country, I think in my country don't have this. But in Vietnam, many traditional food and very delicious.
Okay, yes, I understand. There is traditional food and there is a delicious food. Okay, so I know many traditional food and many delicious food in Vietnam. Okay, so I don't know what is the famous food in Vietnam.
The famous food in Vietnam, I think in Vietnam we call this food as chả chả cá.
Uh-huh.
Yes. I don't know. I don't know what is for in English.
Okay. Yes, probably.
Yes.
Okay. So, in my country, the most common food, Tono, is lechon. It is roast pig. Roast pig. Okay, it is common in my country. Roast pig. The big pig, the whole pig, you are gonna roast it. We call it lechon. That's famous in my country. Okay, so
Oh,
we're gonna taste the lechon. Oh my God, teacher, it's crunchy. It tastes so nice. Okay, that's lechon. It's famous in my country. Another, we have adobo. Adobo is also famous in my country. That's it. It's also famous in my country.
oh, I understand.
Yes. Okay. So, Tono, I will see you on Friday, 4 p.m. again. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. And then again, I want you to focus on speaking. Oh, I like your what
Yeah.
one? New? It's your new computer?
Not my computer. My mom buy a new camera. Yes.
Ah, let me see. Wow. Oh, I can see now. You're pretty. Oh, that's good, Tono. The camera is new. That's very good. I
Yes.
can see you properly. So I will have, let us focus on speaking. Let us have speak more. Okay?
Okay.
You don't be shy, huh? Because I can see you now properly. Okay. So thank you so much, Tono. See you on when? On
Friday.
Friday, 4 p.m.
4 p.m.
Bye-bye.
Bye, teacher.
See you.
Bye bye.